Amazing! We've got a racetrack, a coconut toss, beach balls.
These games look else. Which clay should we try first?
A shell and spoon race. Race you two on.
Alright, Glenn.
Well done, Kuan.
Mahua, Juan.
Thanks, Accorda. You know who loves these Schlugoin? Blowheen.
How about another clay hack, Kuan?
Mahua, Amir, Mahu.
I got it! It's Lucy! A Schlugon from the beach! Your favorite. And now your favorite. Coca!
La breha son a glitch. La breha son a glitch. La breha son a Kuan. La breha son a glitch.
I'm okay! And so is the cake!
Brella son a Kuan. Are you hungry, Bruno?
Careful of the brisky, Kuan. Don't worry. Now, who wants an apple? Walat Ulfia?
Let a hole.
Walat Ul, Bruno? Fia! Why won't Snowy and Bruno talk to us? It's not very nice. How are they your best friends when they're not even friendly?
Huh?
Of course. All the animals on Fairy Island can talk, so the fairies have no idea.
That teddies can't speak.
What? They don't speak at all?
Berini are better at listening. If you're upset, a Berine will make you feel much better. Right, Fia?
They're the best huggers around.
Oh, I see. Oh, we understand now, Berini. No need to chat. Just enjoy some lovely brisky. Oh, no. The Ula must have broken them. Oh.
Láithín, what leat Bruno? A hug from a teddy bear might help.
A barrogue might be nice. I'm sorry, Blowheen. I broke the brisky. Oh, I feel terrible.
Why don't you tell Snowy about it?
Blowheen spent all morning baking brisky, and I broke them by accident, and now she's sad. Give Snowy a barrogue, Kuan. Oh, a barrogue from a berry is very warm and fuzzy. The brisky still tastes great, you know, even if they are broken.
Exactly. See, making you feel better is what teddies do best. Wow, I've never seen a pizza look this good.
I can almost taste it.
It looks blasta, just like the one in the recipe book. Thanks for teaching us how to make them properly, Pip. Now I can't wait to eat them.
Ah, Gramagath.
Okay, so it's not as iska-piska as it looks. But we got there in the end.
Blasta! Pizza tastes better when you make it yourself.
My favorite pizza is still Pip's. His is super blasta because he's had loads of practice. Huh? And if we keep practicing, soon we'll be making pizzas without getting toppings in our hair.
Huh?
Tá gach éine ina gula.
Yes, they're all asleep. But minding baby chicks is harder than it looks, cheap.
Gur raibh míle maith go a fáistí.
Call us soft, little chicks.
Yeah!
Achoo!
Now what do we do? Isn't it a bit too cute? Oh, it's perfect. Well, I need my magic harp to help me sleep.
What about a story? I love telling spooky stories on a sleepover.
But aren't you supposed to colour on a sleepover?
You're supposed to do lots of fun things on a sleepover. You don't actually want to sleep.
And what about the midnight feast? That's my favorite part.
Oh, want to pretend it's midnight now and go for a feast at Pip's Cafe?
Are you not too tired to go to Pip's?
Nope, since you're all being so Glora, I'm actually awake now.
Air Rouse.
Race you there!
Not so Glorok, Kuan.
Brunner.
Where are Blahin and Amir?
They were on topic. Shouldn't they be finished by now?
Oh no, we were going Mal, so we spotted that arrow. But maybe they were going so topic, they missed it and got lost. Let's go back and find them.
We did miss the arrow.
We were too toppy, Amir. Oh, Fee and Kun will have won by now.
Aw.
And Eileen!
Huh?
Amir, Blahin! We came back for you.
Thanks.
Come on, let's finish this race together.
Ready? Ahead. A tree.
We won't all fit.
You and Blahin can hide here, Lachela. I'll go and hide him, Einar.
Are you sure you want to hide by yourself, Kuan?
Yes, I'm going to find an amazing hiding place.
And me. Atta! Ready or not, here we come.
Fia! There.
You found me.
Is Blahin there too?
Yeah, we're Lakayla. Let's all look for Kuan.
He's hiding in the inner.
Uh-oh. Kuan is so good at hiding by himself. I hope we can find him.
Oh!
Anyone find him?
Kuan is too good at hiding.
Have you changed your mind about playing Cheep Cheep?
And Kuan might be the best at hiding, but nobody can beat Cheep Cheep at seeking. Aw, you found me.
Well done, Cheep Cheep. Let's play again.
Yeah, again.
A hen, a go, a tree, a car, a cui, a she, a sha, a hook, a knee, a dare.
Fullock Beog is tiring. Maybe we can go to Pip's for a rest.
Oh.
Oh, don't worry, we can clean it up. It'll be perfect by the time we're finished. We promise.
RTÉjr.
Do you know what we need to fix the garden? A plan. If we thought everything through first,
Then we wouldn't have made a mess or smashed the putta.
let's put the empty putty in the right place first, and then we can scoop the cray into the wheelbarrow and carry it over bit by bit. It's brilliant.
Who would have thought the spilled cray would be perfect for the last flower?
Gordine Olin. RTÉ.
Don't worry, Bamba.
We can figure this out. Is Fairies.
I know. What if we brew and tarring the ranger to get it unstuck?
That's it! You're a genius, Fia! We'll tarring and you can brew. Brostigi. Will chip Ray?
Ready?
Ready?
A here, a two, a three, tarring!
Brew! Brew! We did it! Our house! Look!
Come on, Amir. I think we could all use something from Pip's Cafe now.
That sounds perfect.
Watch this. Yeah!
Go! Good one, Kuan. Watch this. Goal again!
Ha! My turn. Aw. My turn again. Oh no!
Oh, I got the enemy.
It's broken. Can we fix it?
Oh, I guess when a mug is brished, it's not as easy to dish you. What will I do? Is Fairies.
I know. What if we make Bamba a new mug?
Yeah, great idea.
Rylan.
Bamba. Tá brónarm, but
Tá sé briste.
We're really sorry, Bamba.
It was an accident. We tried to fix it.
but it was too hard to zeshi.
So we made you a new mug and filled it with your favorite smoothie.
Tá sé go hiantach gur míle maithagaí. Huh?